Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your Canvas presentation into a PowerPoint presentation. And it's quite simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, I would show you a project that I have already made using the Canva presentation software. So now this presentation is ready, as you can see on the screen, and it has got a number of slides. So what we have to do is, you can see on the upper right corner of the screen this tab, the share tab. Just click it, and now if you scroll down, you can see this more. Here you can find numerous options. Just scroll down a bit and you can see here Microsoft PowerPoint. Yes. So just click on this option, and here again you have got the whole range of your presentations pages. Like I have 23 pages. If you want all of these or the entire presentation, you can just keep it like this. Otherwise, if you want to exclude some of the pages, you can uncheck them like this. But since I want all of these pages of my presentation, so I haven't touched this option. And then just you need to click on the Done tab. So you can see download your design as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So it's an amazing and superb, I would say, feature of Canva that you can use in 2022 to download your presentations as Microsoft PowerPoint document. Just click Done, and now download. So you can see that the PPTX, that is a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, is downloading, and it has downloaded here. So just click on this to see if it is rightly downloaded, and the document is opening now. So here you have got the PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you liked the video. If you like it, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon. Thank you for listening and watching. Take care.